Yeah, thanks for having me. It's great to be here. So Dutchie is an all-in-one technology platform powering the dispensary's operations while providing consumers with safe and easy access to cannabis. And it's a great time to be a part of this industry. It's an explosive industry. The pandemic really accelerated this industry. And Dutchie's always set lofty goals and have been a very ambitious company. And we're happy to exceed those expectations.
You've attracted Howard Schultz in previous rounds, Kevin Durant, Snoop Dogg, lot of famous investors in your company. So is the goal here to be like a Grubhub or an Uber Eats for marijuana? Yeah, it's a similar business model. We're streamlining the operations for dispensaries and bringing an omni-channel solution to the consumers. Really, it's important, especially this day and age, to meet the consumer where they feel most comfortable. So they have the ability to order online from the comfort of their own home for delivery or pickup, or consumers can choose to go into a local dispensary and order through a self-serve kiosk or at the cash register with the dispensary staff.
How much people ordering in one go for it to be worthwhile paying for delivery or for you to be offering delivery for free?
Yeah, so it's the dispensary that actually offers the delivery. And delivery is a trend that we're seeing pick up, not only in cannabis in this industry, but in industries across all sectors. And, it's a very convenient way to order, but also having local brick and mortar, we believe will always be successful. So powering the dispensaries and consumers to go in stores is definitely a strong option as well. So you're involved in the payments and banking side of all of this. How difficult do you find that, given that the federal law, it's still illegal in this country, marijuana? Obviously, states are changing that, but big banks aren't touching it. So how do you navigate that? Yeah, so it's a very fragmented and nascent industry. And fortunately, there's a lot of regulatory tailwinds behind the industry. I think the world is waking up to the positive societal changes cannabis and this industry as a whole is bringing to the world. And with that, regulations are allowing for, there's a lot of movement on the regulation front. So we're excited to see acts like the Safe Banking Act passed in the coming year, which will allow payment processing and this industry to normalize like other industries.
We've seen a lot of competition, a lot of players in this space, and their stocks have been volatile but pretty strong. Do you see yourself as sort of agnostic as to the manufacturer, to the brand, because of your sort of shape of your business, and therefore kind of able to just ride the broadly positive theme in this sector and not be involved in the competition so much?
Yeah, so Dutchie really stands for the industry, and we're here to be the backbone and the infrastructure that powers the industry and allows the industry to move forward. And again, really normalizing this industry. I previously came from the online food ordering space, and I'm bringing a lot of those learnings and that education onto this space. So, we're excited. We're here for the industry, and as the industry rises, Dutchie will be there to support it.
In that industry, the restaurants end up having to pay big fees for those delivery services, and the consumer also has to pay big fees. Have you learned from that model? Is it different when dealing in the pot industry?
Yeah, so our true north metric here is to provide value to the dispensaries and consumers, and we'll always make sure our business model supports their economic piece of the puzzle there. So, the industry is in its infancy. It's got a long way to go. It's evolving and changing very fast, and we'll always look to provide value to the industry as a whole.
And finally, Ross, tell us about these acquisitions and the latest fundraising.
Yeah, so we're excited today to announce the close of our Series C. We brought in $200 million led by Tiger Global, with participation from DFJ Growth and Dragoneer Investment Group. Phenomenal investors to bring in to the cannabis space, and really a landmark deal and a testament to this industry. And again, the positive change it's bringing to the world. We're also announcing the acquisitions of LeafLogix and Greenbits, two leading point of sale and enterprise resource planning tools for the cannabis space. We'll be combining all three of these companies together to create an all-in-one technology platform that really streamlines the operations for the dispensaries and ultimately makes this industry more successful.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.